I'm fat, but I'm pretty. I'm calm with no chill. I'm always anxious, baby. And what it all comes down to is I'm mentally unstable.
Hey guys, welcome to a new vlog. I hope you enjoy this week's vlog. If you do, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family. Hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. So jumping straight in, it is a Monday the 1st of August. Happy August everyone. It's currently almost 3 p.m. right now. We've had a lazy morning. It's stormy here today, so Morgan stopped working and now we are off looking at more houses again. First we're going to go grab a coffee because it is exhausting, and we do have a house inspection to actually go to, so see the inside of one of the houses, and then we have Cairo as well. So that is what we're doing today. I also need to clean the house when I get home because we've got cleaners coming tomorrow, so I need to get all the toys off the floor and all the stuffing, do the dishes, fold the washing, you know, the usual. So yeah, that's about it. So I will chat to you guys later. Bye guys. Welcome to Tuesday the 2nd of August. I just woke up from a nap because I didn't sleep last night. Yes, I fell asleep in my makeup. No, I wasn't meant to. I'm about to go take it off because it's all yucky and everything now. Why am I wearing makeup? Because we had a house viewing, so I just wanted to look presentable. Then I just put on some casual clothes when I got home. Laid down, I was reading some of my book and passed out. But I needed some sleep. I think I napped for almost 3 hours, but last night I only slept for about 2 because there is a massive storm here in Perth. We got 110 kilometer per hour winds last night, and tonight is meant to be the same and potentially up to 120 kilometer winds. You may hear some of it behind me, but I took this chance because it's quieting down a little bit to do this check-in. But yeah, we went and viewed a house today. So that was nice and early that we did that. We had the house viewing at 9 a.m. this morning. Morgan is helping his supervisor with some patch-up work that's inside of houses. So yeah, that meant that he was able to go to work because it's inside and not outside. But I'm just here with all the babies. We've got Evie, Macy, and Ollie. They're all just chilling here. Macy and Oliver really didn't sleep much last night either. They really didn't like the storm either. So yeah, I was trying to keep them calm all night. Poor Oliver has not obviously had to go through a winter before. So he kept running into the hallway and barking like crazy because he didn't know what was going on. And we were woken up this morning around 5:30 this morning, I think it was, by hail hitting all the windows because it was coming in sideways. Thankfully none of our cars are damaged or anything. There was no damage to this house or anything like that. But out there is branches everywhere, there's trampolines everywhere, fences are down, roofs are off. Yeah, it's been a really bad storm. This is definitely, I think, our worst storm this year. And the wind's just not stopping. So yeah, they said that it's going to continue again tonight, and it won't ease up until tomorrow sometime. So yeah, I'm just gonna spend as much time home as possible right now, because the dogs obviously don't like it. I don't think we've got any house viewings tomorrow, I don't think, but we might do some drive-bys to see if there's any others we can add to our list. But yeah, so far we've had no luck on any houses, but I will keep you guys updated. So thank God I've got a husband that's so tradie, and we own a generator. And actually it was only purchased in the last like 6 months or so, and it's just coming handy because we've lost power again and it's gonna be gone all night. So just try and close the blinds here. So let me show you what my house looks like right now. Night lights, candles, lots of cords. Yay! So we found out here, hot water, you need the power, so we can't even shower. Oh, you had a cold shower, did you? I just washed my face and that's it. The stove, thankfully we can turn on with just a lighter. And yeah, thank God we've got a generator because we have no service in this house. And with no power, there's no internet. So we couldn't even watch TV or anything. And it's gonna be gone all night, so fun times. What a romantic night.
3, 2, 1.
Got to do with it.
So if my next 20 TikToks I'm wearing the same outfit, just mind your business. I make my TikToks like I eat a bag of chips, all at once.
Hey you! I hope you're doing okay. You deserve good things in life.
Top 10 most underrated TikTokers that you should be friends with. Number 1, me.
Hi guys, a quick check-in. It is Saturday the 6th of August right now. It's actually almost 6 p.m. I'm about to go cook dinner. I just had a shower and washed my hair and dried it. I don't think I've checked in a few days. I've just been dealing with the stress and everything of trying to find a house, you know, home opens and stuff, like going out look at houses or house viewings. I've also had 2 sick dogs, both Oliver and Macy have been quite sick. So they're on their way up again now. Macy was playing again today, so they are finally feeling better. They just had upset tummies from having food that Macy is like allergic to, and I'm guessing now Oliver was showing the exact same signs. I'm assuming he's probably going to be the same way as Macy and have the inflammatory bowel disease. So at his next checkup, I think I might get them to run some bloods and see if we can find out if he does have the same thing. But yeah, gave them some chicken and rice yesterday and then today, and both of them have perked up and playing and everything, so that's good. The things that I do for my dogs, I wish I could come back as one of my own dogs because they're spoiled rotten. Auntie, he's spoiled rotten. I think Evie has like an iron stomach because she's fine, like she can eat whatever and it doesn't upset her normally. But yeah, Macy's the main one who can't eat anything because of her inflammatory bowel disease. But yeah, Oliver was showing the exact same symptoms, so I have a feeling he has the same thing. Not really much to update. Still haven't found a house, so keep praying for us that we find something soon. The owner has mentioned that she is going to be flexible with us, so right now we have, I think, 5 weeks until our lease is up, but she said that she'll swap it over to a periodic for a month or two whilst we try and find something. So that's good that she's being kind and doing that. But yeah, other than that, it's really nothing to check in on. It's been a boring few days. I've been cleaning, reading lots of books. By the way, if you guys want to know about books, let me know, because I've just gotten back into reading now that I know that the library offers ebooks. So yeah, I've just gotten back into reading, and in the last like 6 days, I think it's 6 days that I've been reading for, I've read 3.5 books already. I love reading, so yeah. If you want me to include in my vlogs maybe each week what I am reading or what I have read and what my thoughts are, then let me know, because I'd love to do that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So tomorrow is Sunday. Morgan will have the day off. So we have, I think, 5 or 6 house inspections, and then we have a whole pile more that we need to drive past as well and just see if there's parking before we book any inspections. But yeah, I will chat to you guys tomorrow probably. Bye guys.
This is a sound for all the girls with an RBF. First, show how you smile. Next, show your resting bitch face. Let's see who has the worst one.
Hey guys, so it is actually Monday the 8th of August right now, but I forgot to end out the vlog again, and it was quite short, so I thought I would add a quick clip in to let you guys know Morgan actually worked yesterday, so we didn't end up going and looking at any houses. So yeah, we're about to go do that today because it is stormy again today, so he couldn't work. So yeah, we just swapped the days around. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this week's vlog. Let me know if you want anything else added into my vlogs, like the books, etc. Do you want more tutorials? Do you like it when I show you my cleaning? Let me know so then I know what to film for this week's vlog. But yeah, hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family. Hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, thanks for watching guys. Bye!